Hello everyone. Good morning to all. How are you? Welcome to my new video. Today we learn some new tips and tricks which are very useful, which are very benefit for learning something new. So yeah, today we learn about some connectors which are very useful. We can which are very impressive make a sentence. So yeah, just like as a additionally also, so these are the connectors. So let's take a first connector is the additionally. So uh, it's used where it's used, we use the connect the similar word. Okay, similar word, just like as a I love reading books. Additionally, I enjoy writing short stories. Okay, means ki reading as well as writing also. And another example is like as I cook food in evening. Additionally, I enjoy listening melody music. So let's forward to the second connector. Also, I think people use mostly this word. So yeah, take an example where I use this word, this connector. So for example, she is an excellent singer. She is also a skilled dancer. Means ki singer as well as a skilled dancer also. And second example is I am a student. I am also a good mother. So at a time we make a two role. At a time we make a two role. So we use the connector that place. So I hope I hope that is for today video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate your support. Stay positive, keep learning, and I will see you in next video. And like and subscribe and also share my channel. That's why you get more video like this. And don't forget hit the bell icon for getting more videos like us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.